There are many ways, 13 that I can think of to be exact, to get paid Bitcoin online. Sit back and let me tell you about faucets, microtasking, no deposit gameplay, gambling and predictions, competitive gaming, getting tipped, streaming, social discussions, torrent seeding, ad sales, merchant sales, freelancing, and full-timing. All links discussed today, plus bonus resources, are in the description. Here goes. Faucets are websites which give away Bitcoin on a regular basis, whether it's every 10 minutes, every hour, or once a week. You simply sign up with a Bitcoin address and sometimes your email, and if you're selected in the random drawing, you get the bits. Popular faucets include Bitcoin Zebra, Moon Bitcoin, and Weekend Bitcoin. Microtasking websites like Prize Rebel and Coinbucks pay users Bitcoin for doing things like taking surveys, watching videos, and signing up for new services. Accounts are free and easy to start, and all of the tasks can be done in your own time. No deposit games are web-based games you can play, which, as the title suggests, require no deposit to start, but do pay out small amounts of Bitcoin if you win. There are dozens and maybe hundreds of these kinds of games, popular ones including Satoshi Quiz, Spark Profit, and Cash Clamber. All sorts of casino games are available for Bitcoin gambling, so many that entire websites exist just to act as guides for all of the different casinos. There also exist predictions markets for various events, like BitBet and Fairlay, as well as sports betting markets like Betcoin Sports, where you can profit on predicting correct outcomes of various events. If you're quite good at what you do, or you just like to try your hand playing against the pros, competitive gaming is another way to earn Bitcoin. Classic games like poker and blackjack are available from popular sites like Betcoin and SWC. If you're a whiz-bang at massive multiplayer games like Counter-Strike Go, League of Legends, or Minecraft, you can play for Bitcoins using the site Leet. ChangeTip is a social tipping wallet that you can sign up for if you use Twitter, Reddit, Disqus, SoundCloud, or several other platforms. In addition, if you simply paste a Bitcoin tip address on any social media profile or website that you control, people using the Chrome extension ProTip will automatically tip you out small amounts of Bitcoin at the end of each week. Streamium is a beta stage peer-to-peer streaming service which functions like Meerkat except allows you to charge by the minute for Bitcoins. You can stream yourself doing anything, from playing games, to giving tutorials or lessons, to selling your charms and great beauty. Streamium is just the first of such services, and more will likely come. Sponsored shout-out from The Merkle, which is a news source for the latest in Bitcoin and blockchain developments. The Merkle also offers technical analysis of crypto coins, charts, tutorials, and insider interviews with industry experts. Check them out at themerkle.com, and in the spirit of today's show, I'm happy to report that you get free bits just for signing up for their newsletter. Get paid to start interesting threads and give your opinion on social discussion sites like Zapchain and Satoshi. These sites pay microtips for popular threads and insightful comments left on a wide range of hot topics. JoyStream is a beta-stage BitTorrent client that pays seeders for their bandwidth. This way, you can earn small amounts of Bitcoin to reimburse yourself for bandwidth and electricity costs. If you yourself have a blog or website, you can sell ad space for Bitcoin. Sites like coinad.com provide banner and sidebar ads, and you get paid per click. If you have something to sell, you can be a Bitcoin merchant. Sites like Bitify act as crypto eBays, letting you sell used or new goods in an auction-style format. Conversely, Purse Merchants lets you set up a store with fixed prices and sell Etsy-style. Can you write, program, translate, blog, even answer customer service calls? If so, you can be a freelancer and sell your skills on sites like CryptoGrind, XBT Freelancer, and even the Jobs for Bitcoin subreddit. Be sure to utilize the escrow services provided by these websites to ensure that you get paid for all work you do. If you're ready to quit your fiat-paying job and go full-time with a company who will pay you Bitcoin, check out the job listings linked to in the description from Coinality and AngelList's Bitcoin jobs. Most in-demand jobs there are programmers and marketers. Today's episode is brought to you by Nubits, which is a cryptocurrency that is always worth $1 per Nubit. Check out their mobile wallet on Android, called the New Droid, which comes equipped with the Shapeshift button, meaning your new bits can be converted to any other cryptocurrency at any time. Learn more at newbits.com. We're independent members of the LTV network. Check out our podcast there if you'd like to listen, and today's magic word is jolly. Have a great day.